If you want bigger, stronger forearms, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the top exercises to build serious size and grip strength fast. Most people train biceps and triceps, but powerful arms start with strong forearms. Exercise 1, wrist curls. Use dumbbells or a barbell. Slow reps, full stretch, maximum contraction. Exercise 2, reverse curls. This targets the brachioradialis for thickness and strength. Exercise 3, hammer curls. Go heavy, keep control. Feel the burn in your forearms. Exercise 4, farmer's walk. Grab heavy weights and walk. This builds insane grip power and muscle density. Exercise 5, dead hangs. Hang from a pull-up bar. Hold as long as possible. This will transform your grip strength. Train forearms 2-3 times per week. Focus on progressive overload. And don't rush your reps. Stay consistent, and you'll see real forearm growth in weeks. If you want a full workout program, link in video description.